Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we are doing another video. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and click that bell to never miss another video. Sorry about the awkward silence. Let's get into the video. We will be basically using this, the Cubamaze straightaway rail set. Okay. So we'll be doing a marble run, incorporating at least one of these rails. You know the rules of our normal marble run. We have to incorporate this dude. The pipes. And this is another color because last time I did a marble run, I rage broke the ends. So I had to get some. And possibly the trampoline. If I can do it. And maybe this. Maybe, because these are normally hard to do. Alright, let's get into the time lapse. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sorry, it's another day. Ran out of time yesterday. So yeah. I know that's an answer, even though it says tonight. Alright, let's get back into the video. Alright guys, this is what has gone right now. So I've done a few test runs. So the rails are on every single side after this. Let me go down to one of these, the hamper, and then long way up, and then you get the bridge. So right now it starts right here, and it has, you can go here, down there, or I can go through one of these pathways, only down through here, and right here. So I had this trampoline, I want it to bounce into here. It goes into here, it'll go down the pipe, and then down there with that rail. So yeah, I'm still trying to continually up. Marbles. 3. Let's put one on top. Went into there. Now, get one. That one good. And that's what it looks like. And if I drop more right here. Alright, that's kind of quick. And that's how quick it goes, guys. So I'm gonna end this video, and there will be a part 2 to it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and click the bell to never miss a video. Goodbye.